Can you name this compound in 5 seconds? Now, come with me. Let's do it together. First thing you have to do is to identify the functional group in the compound. Here you can see we have an alkanoic group and we have an amine group. What position is our amine? You have to check how many carbon do we have. We have 2 carbon, which is an 8. 2 carbon is an 8. What position is our amine? Because this is an amine group, we have it as 1 and 2. This is position 1, position 2. You have our amine group at position 2, which makes our compound 2-amino ethanoic acid. 2-amino ethanoic acid.